How to create an interactive section with mouse parallax in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, just choose in here a particular part of that section that you want to apply it into. Now click onto this inspector option. And then for this one, just choosing here the scroll option. Now click onto this add, then scroll down and we have in here the parallax. Make sure to update it and then input it onto the particular section. Now, if you want the whole part to actually have this, what you can do is you just apply it on all the elements. Let's head over and choose in here this element, and let's also add in here that particular application or the particular animation. I'll head over and then just choosing here this. Go over it here to the scroll option. Click on add, and then add parallax again. Continue adding it until all of the elements into your actual section has been added for that. So once you're done, you should be able to have an interactive section with parallax elements.